Wait. Guys, if I'm going to tell you that 5 minutes if you spend, you are getting paid 100 to $250. What could you say? Guys, watch this video till the end, cause in this video I'm just going to tell you that by just reading 750 words or 750 to 2000 plus words, you are getting paid a good amount of money. You can see, guys, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. So follow along this video and I show you step by step how you can yourself earn this much amount of money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just performing some simple steps and by just selling your voice over this website. Yes guys, so basically I just gave you an introduction to this website, guys. So you can see the partners of this website: Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery, Cisco, GoDaddy. These are one of the most renowned companies in the whole world. So wherever you are, if you are from any country, guys, you can earn money online by just spending your time on this website. Okay, so I just tell you step by step, guys, how you need to post your jobs, how you can do it. And guys, basically what it does, this website, what it does, you have seen certain cartoons, you have seen certain movies. So the background voices, people post their their scripts over this website, and just what we want to do, we just want to record that voice and send it to our client, okay, who are just doing their photo editing part and all, okay, video editing part and all, okay, just that simple. So we'll see how we can do it. And guys, if I can show you how much money this website is going to earn, okay, how much money you can earn from this website is this. Guys, you can see, if you read 0 to 5 minutes, you which is approximately, guys, 750 words, okay, you are getting paid $100 to $250 based upon the type of project. Okay guys, so this is a suggested budget, guys, and people all over the world are just selling their voice and just earning money. Guys, in 1 hour, means 60 minutes, you are getting paid minimum $1,000. Guys, it's one of the great thing. If I can calculate, guys, if I can calculate, okay, if you earn $1,000, guys, and if you are working minimum, how much in the whole day, you have 24 hours minimum, if you as a part-time can do 3 hours, you can see, guys, $3,000 in your pocket by just selling your voice, by just doing work on this website, absolutely free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend on this website, guys. Okay, so guys, at this note, I just want to recommend you guys, if you like these kind of videos, if you want to know about these kind of websites, just hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content and you will get a notification of my video every single day. I'm posting and helping you out in order to make money online. Okay guys, so let's start, guys. First, so this is a website, and guys, the website link is in my description box, so you can check out this website. So just click on this get started for free. Okay, just click on this thing, and we want to work it as a worker. Okay guys, we want to work. Okay, so just click on this work, and let me just first sign up in this. Okay, just enter your full name, guys. Okay, just enter your full name and your mail ID. Okay, and update the voices and click on the next. Your phone number, guys, it's very important for you to get your phone number and your username, guys, that we need to enter. Okay, and a password that should be done. Okay, enter the password. Okay, just click on this submit button and your registration is successful. Now guys, what you need to do, you just want to confirm your email ID. Okay, I just come up on my email address and just verify my account. Okay, so guys, this is my mail. You can see this is my mail, and you can see guys, there is a verification email. Okay, just click on this verification email, verify your email, and your email is getting verified. Okay, I'm not skipping this video guys, because lots and lots of people are asking me a question that please sir, don't skip your video, because there are some problems with the while we are doing the signing up process. Okay, so I just show you step by step. You just need to enter your address where you lived in. Okay, the state that you are living in guys. Okay, your postal code, your state that you need to enter. Okay, just click on this submit button guys. Okay, just click on this submit button if you have entered all of these details, and you can see guys, we are in the dashboard. Okay, just follow fill your details, and we are in this. So welcome to voice.com Anil. Okay, and you can see guys, my account is ready. So this is my payment method guys. Okay, all my payments I have just signed up, so there is no payment. Okay guys, so guys, what you need to do, you just come up in this job part, and you can see there is a button hiring. Just click on this hiring button, and you can see guys, there are lots and lots of jobs that you can apply. And you can see guys, I just show you guys how much jobs are there. 184 jobs every single day this website is posting. So you can see guys, tank combat female commander voiceover. Okay, YouTube voiceover. You can see guys, $100 to $250 you can earn. Just click on this reply button and you are getting paid for that. You just want to apply, just show some sample, record some small set of voiceovers with you. Okay, just read some scripts, search in online, and just have a read on certain kind of scripts, and you are getting paid for that. You can see guys, blog post narration. Okay, motion graphics project. You can see guys, they are actually paying you a good amount. Okay, because it's just simple guys. It's just you just need to transcribe something and just want to post it. So guys, before we can apply to the job, we just need to set up our profile. Okay, so these are the one of the so if you want yourself to be one of the voiceovers artists, how can you do? Okay, just click on this me. Okay, this is your profile, and just click on this edit profile. So you just need to set up your profile first. Okay, then only you are getting paid, then only you can apply for the job. Okay, so what you need to do, just write down your name and last name, your city, country, okay, state, province, upload your profile photo. Okay, and just give a small description about you guys. Voiceover artist, you can search on Google what you can do. Search on small voiceover. Okay, you can tell that I am a professional voiceover artist. Okay, just have some good and brief description about yourself. Okay, your education background. Okay, your service description, what you are doing currently right now. Okay, are you a male or female? Okay, based upon that, your voiceover you are getting a categorized job guys. Okay, you can apply for male. Languages guys, there are ample of languages over there. Okay, if you know Chinese, if you want know Bengali, if you know English, Australian, New Zealand, South Africa, British English, you can have great ample of services that you can give. French. Okay, you can see guys, lots and lots of languages. You can have a look on these kind of languages, and based upon that you can do it. Okay, So what type of things, just click on this Latin, okay, and you see guys, you can select these type of tags. Okay guys, so what is your accent? Okay, accent, you can select your language as well. Okay, Arabic and English, British accent you are having, whatever accent you are having, just have a look and just do some these are certain categories guys. If you are an voiceover artist, okay, you can perform on animation, audiobooks, business, documentaries, educational, lots and lots of categories that you can. So this will eventually is selected. Okay, you can see guys, you can do an average turnaround time, okay, which is less than 24 hours. Okay, so you can say that I can spend for 5 hours. Okay guys, 5 hours, or how much time that you can spend on this website. Okay, and these are certain specifications that you can call out, microphone, whatever microphone, and your editable software that you are using. Okay, I just wanna recommend you to click on this Adobe Audition. Okay, so just post it and have a look on these things. These are certain personal details that you need to fill guys. Okay, these are the personal details that you need to fill. Okay, if your profile is done, then you need to upload a demo guys. Just record a small audio. Okay, just record a small audio and just upload it. Okay, just upload it. Do it very simple guys. You just need to select a file and just you need to upload it and give a title. Okay, whatever is the title, it is having your a small description about what is the audio that you have written. Either it is a audio book, it's a documentary. What you can do guys, just have some documentaries. Okay, so documentaries, I just type documentaries. Okay, you do not have to read every documentary. Just select some of the documentary. Okay guys, and just have a read on these kind of documentary. Okay, just select a title and just have a read of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so that they can eventually analyze the quality of your sound. Okay guys, so this is the way how you can do it. Just click on the age that you are preferred age. Okay, your reviews are based upon the people who are looking at your profile, and your statistics as per your jobs that you are getting. Now guys, your profile is ready. Now you are now you can do the voiceover at this website. Okay, your profile is ready. Now you can now people are coming in this website and see your profile, see your quality voices, the demo that you have uploaded. Okay, they just come up and see the type of thing that you can do, the type of quality of the service that you can get. Okay, and you are getting a message and notification in your mailbox, and you can earn money online guys by just selling your voice. That's something amazing guys. You just need to read something and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so don't worry guys, you do not have to do it on your own. Okay, they will provide you the scripts and you just need to perform actions on that. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, I just want to tell you that please subscribe to this channel guys. There is always a motivation to give you the best content and give you that there are lots and lots of opportunities that you can work from home. You do not need to spend hours and hours and hours on one kind of job. You can do part-time job. Best ways, smart ways to earn money. Okay guys, just subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.